Hi, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro Aladin Matrix dive computer. A nice inexpensive dive computer with a dot matrix screen and a built-in compass. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so let's take a look and see what you actually get inside of the box. So the box itself has this little sleeve. We're just going to take that off. Inside the box, the first thing that you'll see is your new dive computer. We're just going to take that out and put that to one side and see what else you actually get inside of the box. You have this little sort of section, and this will have your user manual and everything that you need to get started with your brand new computer. So first of all, you get a little sort of sticky barcode with your serial number. Just keep that to one side. It's very important to keep a note of your serial number. You get a little scratch guard as well. Put that over the screen. That will just prevent that from getting bumps and scratches. Your user manual. Quickly just kind of flick through that just so that you can understand your computer, try and understand what it's trying to tell you. You have Scubapro's log track sort of disk, so put that in. That will help you sort of download the information and the dives off of your dive computer. And then you have your quick start guide, which just goes over the entire menu structure and how to sort of move through, change the settings and set up your brand new dive computer. So here's the dive computer itself. It's a puck-sized dive computer. It goes on your wrist. It comes as standard with the sort of traditional buckle style strap, but you can remove that. And as you notice, you've got these 4 little holes, one on each corner, so you can thread some bungee cord across that and turn it into a bungee mount. You've got a nice long strap, so even if you're wearing it with a dry suit and a thick undersuit, you have plenty of length on that. On the underside, you can see that it's a user changeable battery, very easy to sort of undo that, swap that battery over and do it back up again. Very simple design, nice and tough. You've got this rubberized boot that's going to protect it from the usual bumps and scrapes. You've got this scratch guard over the screen as well, which is going to protect the actual screen underneath it. So even if you bump it against some rocks, you can take that off and swap it out with a brand new screen guard. 2-button user interface, very quick and intuitive. This computer has Bluetooth if you want to download your dives and upload information, and you've got the water contact on the front. So when you first get it, it'll be asleep, so just hold down the right-hand button and that'll wake it up. And here we can see the screen. So what makes this the Sport Matrix computer is that dot matrix screen down at the bottom, which means that it can write more complicated information at the bottom, and you still have the traditional segments up at the top. So nice big digits, very easy to see. The screen guard itself gives it a little bit of magnification so you can read it if you've got sort of poorer eyesight. Very simple user interface. You've got a sort of backwards and forwards sort of left-right button to cycle through all the different settings. And all I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you how to change the gas. So you want to get into this screen which shows you the current gas that it's set to. Hold down the right-hand button and then it's going to say gas down in the bottom. Again, hold down that select button. That goes into what gas you're using. Again, hold it down and that number will start to flash. I'm just going to change it to 30%. So just cycle it up to whatever percentage you're using. It gives you your MOD. Hold it down to select that and then it'll ask you to confirm your partial pressure. I'm going to leave that at 1.4 and then that's selected. So now I'm on 30% nitrox. So because of this, you can sort of select other gases as well. Very quick and easy to move through. You can change it to apnea mode as well if you want to go free diving and sort of user information. You can change the algorithms as well. Just cycling through, very quick and intuitive. Back to this, and then you can cycle through to your logbook and then your planner. So if I go into planner, this sort of kind of shows you what the dive screen can look like. You've got your no decompression limit in the center. You've got sort of more flexible information down at the bottom, and you'll have your current depth up at the top. So quick, easy to move around. Because of that dot matrix screen, you can have a compass. Again, sort of quick and easy to get your head around. You can set a bearing and then sort of come back to it. Everything about this computer is very simple. You only need 2 buttons to move around. You've got the nice clear display and you have that adjustable mounting option. And that's the Scubapro Aladin Sport Matrix dive computer. If you missed my latest episode of ScubaTube, you can click on this link up there to watch that. Thanks for watching and safe diving. Okay guys, if you like that video, click over here to subscribe, and if you want to see more videos like this, click over there.